Alright, let's be honest. English makes no sense. Like, at all. It's like English looked at all the other languages and said, oh, you have rules? That's cute. I prefer chaos. I mean, you can park on a driveway, but drive on a parkway? You can read a book in the present, but also read it in the past. And somehow those two words are spelled the same, but pronounced differently. So today we're going to break down all the ways English is basically a joke on language learners. And don't worry, I'll give you some survival tips along the way. But before we jump in, welcome to Learn English Hub. This is the place where we break down the weirdest, wildest and most confusing parts of English so you don't have to suffer alone. If you love fun and engaging English lessons, hit that subscribe button right now. Alright, let's go. Let's start with homophones and homographs. Basically, English words that exist purely to mess with you. Homophones, same sound, different meaning. You ever read a sentence and think, wait, what? Like this one. Two witches live too close to each other. Wait. Two? What? Or this absolute masterpiece of confusion. The bear couldn't bear the weight of the bare truth. At this point, English isn't even a language. It's a guessing game. So, the general rule for homophones. If you're unsure, look at the words around it for clues. Try writing it down. Sometimes seeing the spelling helps. Memorize common homophones. There, their, your, to avoid mix-ups. And then we have homographs. Words that look the same but sound completely different. Like this one. I read a book yesterday and now I will read another one. Okay, what? Same spelling, different pronunciation. Why? Or, I need to wind my watch before the wind blows it away. Make it make sense. So the general rule for homographs. Watch out for verb versus noun differences. As a noun, I bought a record. As a verb, let's record a video. If a word confuses you, try reading the full sentence out loud. Your brain might recognize the correct pronunciation based on meaning. Alright, let's talk about plurals. In most languages, plurals are simple. You take the singular, you add a little something, boom, done. But English? Nah. One mouse, two mice. One goose, two geese. Okay, so if that's the pattern, one house, two highs. No. One moose, two meese? No, it's just moose. What kind of linguistic anarchy is this? So what is the general rule for irregular plurals? There is no rule, just memorization. But some patterns sort of exist. Words ending in F often change to VES. Wolf, wolves. Some Latin and Greek words stay weird. Cactus, cacti. Criterion, criteria. Some just don't change at all. Deer, sheep, moose. The best way to learn them? Exposure. Read, listen, and notice them in context. So yeah, English is wild. It's confusing, chaotic, and makes absolutely no sense. But hey, you've made it this far, which means you are already smarter than English itself. If this video made you laugh and learn, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we drop fun and engaging English lessons regularly, and comment below what's the most confusing thing about English for you. And remember, English is weird, but we are in this together. So, until next time.